Yo dudes, back at the shack once again. Got some interesting stuff we're working on today. These bad boys right here. There's some Mercedes S-Class W220 upper control arms. They don't make camber kits for these cars. And I did spindles for this dude not long ago. But yeah, he needs more camber, so we're gonna give it to him. And I'm super fucking hyped on these because I don't weld aluminum very often, and I've only had, I think this is the third aluminum thing I've welded. They're not done yet, clearly, but so far it's coming out really fucking nice, and I'm super hyped. Yeah, they're small enough my machine can actually do it. So yeah, we only got 110 here. This can do 220, but we only got 110. I got these aluminum 350Z spindles I prepped long ago. Attempted to weld them, but nah, they're too thick for the 110 volt. So I need to go somewhere and plug the welder into the 220 to get full power out of this thing. Then I can weld those, but thank goodness 110 was enough for these. Because yeah, after doing these, I'm a lot more confident in my aluminum welding. So yeah, this should open up some doors for a lot of different things. Get into more aluminum spindles like all the Nissans and shit run. And we also had a very nice junkyard haul the other day. If you saw that video, we got a wagon hatch and a tail light and a little filler piece for my homie Trevor. We also picked up this subframe, rear wagon subframe for the homie Dominic. And the plan for this is to section it, shorten it, sandwich it, whatever we call it. Yeah, I'll make a whole video on this, but yeah, my ideas do just the same as the EK subframe. Well, no, it's more like the Mark IV Jetta subframe. But yeah, just cut out this whole thing and flatten it. Get this thing to sit up higher, get those LCAs off the ground. Also lucked out and found a EG with some shitty coilovers on it, but that's what we like. We like the shitty sleeves because they work pretty damn good. So yeah, I got a full set of sleeves. Got a pair of EK LCAs. Got a whole set of top hats. And snagged these sedan spindles, which already have a home. But yeah, for now, gotta get cracking on these bad boys. Just need to finish the welding on this one and then chop this one, get it to match. Stoked. Got this one done. Yeah, not bad for my first cast aluminum shit. Not bad. I'm pretty happy with that. So I don't know if it's the bushings melting or whatever, but something's, I don't know. Aluminum emits some weird shit that's fucking with my eyes and my throat. So that's kind of concerning, but oh well, I'm still alive, so yeah, pretty happy with that. They look pretty damn funny just because the way that they're shaped and how I had to cut them, but yeah, they're gonna get the job done. Quite a bit shorter, so we should get, I don't even know how much more camber, but a lot more. I know that. Yeah, now I gotta chop this bad boy up and see if my eyes and throat can handle another weld sesh. Probably not tonight. I think I'm done, but I'll get these chopped at least. I don't know what it is with aluminum, man. I'll do a few passes and then yeah, just like I said yesterday, it emits this weird fume of some kind. I don't know. I think I'm allergic to it. Yesterday I was feeling weird after welding that aluminum arm. Got like, my eyes are burning, my top of my mouth is all like raw, my throat was hurting. I had like feverish chills and shivers, super weird. So yeah, I might be allergic to it. I don't know. But I'm gonna knock these out still. because I've already started, gotta finish them. But yeah, I gotta freaking do a couple passes and then come outside to get some fresh air. I got the shack door open. That shit's nasty. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, I don't know, but yeah, gross. But we're gonna get it done, even if I die, we're gonna get it done. Even just walking into the shack, I can fucking smell it. I don't like aluminum, guys. I'm getting the hang of it though, welding wise, that's for sure. But yeah, I don't know, gross. But we're gonna keep cracking on. Fuck me. Arms are done, finally, thank fuck. I was coughing like crazy in there. The shack is like toxic right now. I just left it with the window open and the fan on, get that shit aired out. But yeah, I don't know what it is with me and aluminum, but I don't like that. I don't like that at all. But they're done, so yeah, we're good. I'm still alive, at least for now. So first time I've ever had the shift light come on at like 7600 RPM, I think. But yeah, anyway, tomorrow's tea day, so I'm taking a break from the shack for a couple days. Should have a GoPro afterwards because Black Friday, I'm trying to pick one up. So yeah, that's gonna be amazing. No more phone clips or shitty old camera clips. But next on the list is S2000 rear control arms, shortening those. Thank titties, they are steel. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, might end the video here, not sure. If so, later.